Hey there, welcome to today's video on Pictory Tutorial, Article to Video feature. I'm Christian from Best AI Reviews, and I will guide you through the seamless process of converting your articles into captivating videos in just a matter of minutes. Toward the end of this video, I'll be sharing an exclusive coupon code that will give you a lifelong 20% discount on Pictory AI. Alright, let's dive in. Once you open the app, you'll notice 4 tools at your disposal. Today's target is the second tool, named Article to Video. This feature is recommended for blogs, press releases, and HTML articles. But before we proceed, make sure you have an article ready that you'd like to transform into a video. Let me demonstrate how it works. Firstly, we require an article for our video. What we will do is copy a post from my food blog. It's a concise blog discussing the topic of home recipe versus fast food. Later on, we will witness how Pictory transforms this into an astonishing video. Simply copy the link from the address bar and paste it into the designated box. Then click the Proceed button to continue. Pictory will now read the article and summarize the top highlights for us. It will also import the article images. Once it is completed, we now have an overview of our project. On the left side of the screen, we will find the source article along with the images from the blog. We can scroll down through the article and observe that there are highlighted sentences. As you can see, each highlighted sentence represents a scene in our video, which is listed on the right side of the screen. Additionally, we have the ability to skim through the highlights and add or remove them by clicking on specific sentences. Allow me to edit these highlights because sometimes the AI mistakenly highlights unwanted sentences. Let me share a professional tip with you. Ensure that you summarize the sentences into shorter ones, as it will result in cleaner-looking captions later. Now, if you desire to create the visuals and highlights manually or automatically, hover over the scene settings and toggle the options accordingly. In our case, we will simply stick with the default setting, and once we are satisfied with the summary, click on the next button located at the top right corner. Next, we will come across the templates library, scroll through the available options, and choose a template that appeals to you. Once we have found one, click on it and select an aspect ratio to proceed. This particular template looks nice, so we're going to use it. We will be creating a standard YouTube video, so I prefer to choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. If you are unsure about which dimension to use, you can always change these settings later if needed. Pictory will now generate the video storyboard. The AI will analyze the highlighted sentences from the article and automatically select visuals for each scene. It will even generate fancy captions for us. Before we jump into the exciting part, let's pause for a moment to give that like button a good smash, share this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for a continuous flow of incredible reviews and tutorials. Alright, let's get back to the main point. Now we have the storyboard in view. On the left side of the screen, we can find the Story View tab. This is where we can enhance our video by editing scenes and captions. To edit them, simply click on the scene and modify the text accordingly. So here I have decided to edit the caption and split the scenes as it will look better on the video. If you want to link a specific scene to another scene, well, you have the option to do so by clicking the Link Scene. On the right half of the screen, we will see the video preview area. Once we click on a caption, the styling menu will appear above the preview video. We can experiment with these options to customize the captions, so we'll simply edit a few according to our preferences. Please give me a moment to make some edits. Now, if we are satisfied with the captions, let's proceed to edit the visuals. In the navigation menu under Story, click on the Visuals tab. With a paid plan, you will have access to over 3 million royalty-free visuals that you can use in your videos. Additionally, Pictory's various stock footage websites guarantee the provision of high-quality and unique footage. Let's review first the visuals for each scene by clicking through the thumbnails below the preview video. If you find a visual that better represents a scene, simply click on it to replace the existing one. We also have the option to search for a specific scene. Simply enter relevant keywords or categorize our ideas to locate the perfect visuals for our custom scenes. Pictory's search features simplify the process of finding precisely what we need. Repeat this process until you are happy with the visuals. As you can see, there is a watermark on the preview. However, upgrading to a paid plan will remove all watermarks from the final video. Next, let's add some audio. Click on the Audio tab in the navigation menu. There are over 15,000 tracks available for you to choose from. Select from the audio library or search for a track that fits the vibe of your video, and preview each track by clicking the play button. When you find a track you like, click on the Apply button to use it. If preferred, we can also add an AI voiceover to narrate our video. In the VoiceOver tab, choose between male and female AI voices. Let's try listening to a few of them.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
That voice was excellent. Now we will apply it to our video. Alternatively, you can upload your own voiceover in the My Uploads tab. In another instance, if you want to make your video more creative, explore the other tools on the navigation menu, such as Text, where you can manually add text to your scenes, Elements, to add emojis, GIFs, or stickers, Styles, to manually add a specific template for your scenes, Branding, where we can add custom intros, outros, and logos to our video. Lastly, I want to mention Format, where we can select a video resolution, optimize video size, and change the aspect ratio. More details on this will be covered in a future video. Once we're done editing our video, it will be automatically saved in the My Projects folder. We can preview it or download it. Depending on the size of the video, the download process may take some time. We can choose to run it in the background, and Pictory will notify us when the video is ready. Here is a glimpse of our video.
In the fast-paced world we live in, it's no surprise that fast food has become a go-to option for many of us. But let's not forget the charm and satisfaction that comes with cooking and enjoying a home-cooked meal. When you cook at home, you have complete control over the ingredients used in your dishes.
Wow, that was absolutely incredible. If you're just as blown away by the video as I am, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Alright, we have successfully turned our article into a video. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best to create a quick video and share it with everyone. By reaching this point in the video, I'm thrilled to offer you the coupon code I mentioned earlier. Visit pictorysecrets.com to begin your free trial of Pictory and enjoy a 20% discount by using the promo code BESTAIReviews36 during the sign-up process. Don't wait any longer. Simply click the link in the description and start making amazing videos with Pictory. That concludes today's video. Stay tuned for more exciting content on Pictory AI's other exceptional features. Thank you for watching.